This is 9604 North Rome Avenue, Tampa, Florida. This is where the pipe it broke by the house up there by the AC. This is from when the tree fell. I'm going to take y'all back to show you the rest of the sewer line. I'm currently going through the clean out here by the road in the front yard. The rest of this sewer line from the clean out to the house looks fairly good. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing looks to be broke. But we're going to confirm when we come back to do the job that nothing's cracked. This is the clean out in the front yard by the road. I'm going to take y'all to the city tap. This is the city tap. It's about 11 feet from the clean out in the front yard. There is quite a bit of dirt in here, probably from whenever the tree fell and the rain washed the dirt in. Other than the dirt in the pipe though, the piping from clean out to that point all looks good. Nothing looks to be damaged. Again, this is the clean out by the road. Let's see if I can get this. And there's the tree that fell. Thanks for watching.